Hi guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I could be making such a big mistake. I just don't want to go to the hairdresser, to be honest. I haven't dyed my hair in years. And it's getting really red and it's really starting to annoy me. So again, this could be such a bad idea, particularly because I have a video shoot for work tomorrow. So I don't know, we'll see how this goes. Clairol Frost and Tip like box dye kit, I guess it is. I was in Coles in Australia and this was on sale for $10.50. So if this works, like, I'm so excited. If this doesn't work, I'm probably going to like end up just dyeing my hair brown like later today, which will be so annoying. But so it comes with the highlighting powder. This is so different to like other box dyes I've seen. This little plastic container, the developing cream, the color seal conditioner. Oh my god, I just feel like maybe this isn't a good idea. I don't know, I'm like questioning it. It's one of these box dyes that have the cap. I remember my mum using these caps like years and years ago. So yeah, I've never done it before. It has the cap, the little like plastic that you put over your head once it's done to, I guess, keep the heat in. This little like paddle to spread the dye, and then the hook is on the end of that. Instructions, and that's it. So let me see. Oh, and gloves are in the instructions. Let me see how long they say. Strand test. Does anyone do a strand test with their hair? I don't know. Alright, so it says do the highlights. I'm probably going to try and do all over highlights. I just don't understand how you're meant to get the back. Oh my god, 10 to 60 minutes. Wow, that's so broad. I don't know. So let me show you my hair. As I said, it's really bad. It's super greasy because I also like haven't washed it in so long because I was waiting for today. See, that's the regrowth that I've got going on. So it's been such a long time since I've had my hair done. Oh my god, I'm actually scared. I've got a mirror here, so I'm going, oh no. Are you meant to have a part? Now I'm confused. I have never looked worse in my life. Oh my god, this like makes me think of my mom so much. Wow. I'm gonna be here for so long. But I guess I'll check back in with you when I'm like at a different point. But yeah, you just basically pull it through. I don't want to get like sections that are super big, to be honest. I'll probably pull through strands in every hole of the cap just to cover it quite a bit, which again could be super risky. So just a quick update. I feel like I've done pretty much all of the center bit that I will be doing. Now, to be honest, it's actually super hard. So I've been using a little mirror and just looking like this to see where bits I might have missed are and all of that. So if you are going to do this, I definitely recommend maybe doing that as well. But yeah, so this whole section has probably taken me about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. This I've been doing for about 40 minutes. Can I just say, honestly, if you can get someone else to do this part, I highly recommend it. that honestly took over an hour for me to do this. So again, probably best if you have someone who can do it for you, because a lot of the time is just like I had to look in the mirror to see bits that I've missed, and yeah, it's just definitely not as easy. So the hair that's out of the cap, I'm going to just tie up in a ponytail. I just like can't take myself seriously, honestly. So this is the powder. What a science experiment. And next, okay, so I need to mix this until it becomes a smooth texture. I assume just with this thing. And I'm just going to like push. I don't want to use too much. I have heard that if you use too much, it can bleed through. I love the hairdressers out there that would be literally like cringing at this because it's so bad. Now I do know usually my hair does take quite a while to, like, I think they say lift to get to blonde, so I am prepared for that, but I'll definitely like keep you updated. We need to put this over this like bag thing to keep the heat in. Well, that's good. Oh, I love that. I look even better. Okay, so I'm at the 10-minute mark, and this is what it's looking like. So it's actually looking super light, but the ends are looking a little orange. I'm scared. I'm gonna put a little bit more bleach on the ends. Every time I go to the hairdresser, like before I see my hair, it definitely scares me as well. Sorry, what am I saying? When I wash my hair, or before I wash my hair, it always scares me because it looks like super white. Maybe it's not that bad. If you look at that, maybe. We might be okay. Okay, I just checked it. Ooh, we could definitely have a problem because it looks orange. So it's getting dark outside a little bit. I have showered and just put a bit of fake tan on. So this is also how much is left. So quite a bit, to be honest. I mean, hopefully I don't need to reapply. I haven't seen, oh, I've just got dye all over me. I haven't actually seen the end product because the bathroom mirror was super foggy. So, oh my God, I can see a little bit coming through. Okay, so it looks a bit orange, to be honest. Now, also, when I was washing it out, my hair felt, oh my God, this whole video, I look so bad. Anyway, so when I was washing it out, my hair felt like it was dead. It felt like just a block. And yeah, I was like, this is really bad. But then when I use the conditioner, I actually use the whole little tube of conditioner that they provided. And yeah, now it feels quite soft. It's definitely a little knotty, but not like as bad as I initially thought it would be. So I'm going to brush this through. It actually doesn't really look that different. Brush this through and then I will dry it and again check back in with you. Hey everyone, so it's actually the next day. It was super dark last night, so I was like, I'm just gonna wait to show you the final result. Now I have just woken up as well, so please excuse the lack of energy. I'm so tired. So this is the finished product. Now there is still some regrowth. With the cap, it just doesn't get right to the roots of your hair. So as you can see, there is some regrowth. It looks a lot darker in the viewfinder, so I don't know about that. But as you can see the stripes of the foils. So what I've taken away from this is, yes, it can work. You will see that when I'm doing it, I'm super stressed because I have something on today and I just like didn't want orange hair because that will be something that literally you'll be able to see forever because I'm filming something for work. So super stressed, but I still took the risk, surprisingly. So yeah, I don't know why the regrowth looks so bad. In person, like in the mirror that I have here, it really doesn't look that bad. There is a little bit of like patchiness here, but it's, yeah, really not that bad. So what I might try next time personally, if I don't feel like using the cap, I might actually try and do the foils myself so I can get them like super close to the roots. But otherwise, color wise, like you can see some got super close here, but color wise I'm so happy with it. Like this is sort of giving me the confidence that I might be able to do my hair myself in the future instead of having to go to a hairdresser and spend so long there. I might be able to do it myself. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful because this is something that I really wanted to find when I was looking to do this. So if you do this, let me know your thoughts. If you've used this product before as well, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.